Welcome back to my channel. With the current COVID-19 cases on the rise, we are in lockdown in the UK and I hope all of you are keeping safe and staying indoors. I know it's a really difficult time out there for all of us. We just need to stay strong and go through this lockdown, follow the rules and most importantly stay safe. So in today's video I will be testing out the new Huda Beauty's Naughty Nude palette, which launched on the 1st of November, and I did order it from the Huda Beauty website on the day of its launch. I received my delivery a couple of days later, but I haven't had the chance to test it out, swatch it or review it, so in today's video I thought why not create a look using this new palette. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. As you can see, it's still in the packaging, so I'm just going to take it out and let's unpack it together. So this is what the bag looks like. So pretty. And it does have like that latex feel. So these are the brushes that have come inside the bag, and this is the palette. So it does have like a clear casing, which I will just undo. And so that's the actual palette, and this is what it looks like. So all three items from the Huda website cost £78, and if you include VAT that makes it to £93.60. So for the price it is very expensive, and I hope the palette does live to my expectations. You can purchase the palette on its own, I think that's about £42, and then you've got the brush and bag set which you can purchase separately, but I purchased the whole thing together because why not? For the shade reveals. Here are all the stunning shades from. They're all so pretty. So in the palette there are 18 shades, of which 8 are velvet mattes, 5 high shine buttery metallics, 3 multi-reflective shimmer marble creams, 1 mesmerizing matte marble cream, and 1 never seen before sheer hybrid gloss, which is this shade here, and I'll just zoom in and you can see how pretty that is. And you can see they're all like warm browns and pinks, so they are quite neutral and nudie. The palette, and this is the new exclusive hybrid slippery shade, which is like a pearls with gloss, so it gives more of a sheer finish. Let's just test this new shade. So it is ultra sheer, so I'm just going to take a bit more and darken it. It is very sheer and glossy. It reminds me more of like a lip gloss style. It has like that glossiness and sheerness, so not very well pigmented, but I guess because it's sheer. So this gold also looks really good. We try that out. So here are some of the swatches. On my pinky finger we have Spicy. On this finger we have Irresistible, here we have Tantry, and here we have Flower Power. You can see like the metallics do have a really nice glisten to them, and the matte is very well pigmented. So for my transition I'm going to go in with this colour, Hypnotic. It glides on the skin, so soft. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. Right, let me just zoom in. In the crease I'm going to go in the shade Spicy, which is this one here. Oh wow, so pigmented. Wow. I've literally just packed the colour on everywhere I wanted it, and I've gone a bit above my crease because I just want to elongate the eyes. I'm going to take the colour Hypnotic on this brush and then blend it all out. They do blend out really well. Blend out like a dream. And I'm just going to take like an orangey colour to add a bit of depth. just going to go back in with that spicy shade and pack it on the outer V. You honestly don't need a lot of colour because they're so pigmented and they spread so well. Sorry, I meant blend. That a little goes a long way. I think I want to try that slippery shade. So I think I'm going to go in with this slippery shade again. I'm using my finger this time. Just pack it on the eyelid. It definitely feels like applying lip gloss on your eyelids. Quite like the pinkiness it gives. I think I want to go in with this shade here. And I'm just going to go with Irresistible. And again, I'm just using my fingers to pack on the shade. I'm just going to pat it on the middle of my eyelids. So I'm just going to go back with the brush where I've used Spicy, and then I'm just going to go back in the crease and just dab in the colour to finally blend it all out. So I have had a bit of fallout here. Not sure if you guys can see it on the camera. There has been a tiny bit of fallout, but because it's so pigmented I kind of expected it, and it's not too much, so you can kind of brush it off and it won't stain. So I'm going to just take this colour Naughty here, and that's for the outer corner here. I'm just going to blend that with the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to go with like glitter in the inner corner. I want to intensify my bottom line, so I'm going to go back in with Spicy. I mean, Slippery is such a nice shade, but a shame it's not like the metallics. I think I definitely prefer the metallics over this new Slippery shade. So for my inner corners, I'm going to go in with this shade here, called Tangerine. Dot it on there, and dot it there. And I'm going to do exactly the same and put it on my brow bone. And that's a very smoky, intense look. For the final time, I'm just going to go in and blend everything out with my blending brush. So that is the eyes done. So I'm just going to put some eyelashes off camera, and I'm going to use these Tatty lashes in TL26. So guys, this is the finished look. I've got my lashes on, and I put on this lipstick by Huda Beauty in the shade Graduation Day, and I've just rolled my hair back. Excuse like the messy hair, it was in a plait and I just undid it, hence why it's a little bit frizzy, but oh well. So my final views on this palette. So it is a stunning palette. All the shades are beautifully pigmented. They apply on really well and they blend really well. However, it does come with a heavy price tag, and for me personally, because I'm such a beauty lover and I love purchasing new products and trying them out, I would buy it. And I know I'm going to wear it as well. If you're someone who doesn't really wear eye colour, doesn't experiment with eyeshadows, then this palette is not for you, especially with the heavy price tag it comes with. Overall though, it is a stunning palette. I mean, if we just look at the shades one more time, like how pretty are these shades? The only shade I wasn't a big fan of was this slippery shade, but I think over time this shade will grow on me because it does literally feel like wearing lip gloss on your eyelids. I can see it as like a go-to quick and easy makeup look. Anyways, in regard to the Huda Beauty brushes, I really liked how soft they are and how well they blended out. So I would definitely recommend them. That's only if you need them. And again, there are plenty of other brands out there that you can use for brushes. So that is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Take care for now and bye.